everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you today? We are doing great over here in our neck of the woods. We hope you are too. So today, like always, we're bringing you tips on how we made one of our bespoke dresses. Okay, this dress, we named her SKYLER. Well, I'm not out. That story is for a different day. But today, let's just talk to you on how we made it. Meanwhile, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. We bring you brand new videos every week. If it's not an inspiration video showing you a 360 degrees of one of our pieces, it is an actual in-depth video telling you exactly what we did to achieve what we achieved. All right. And then we also walk you through how you can use, all you need is measurements, swatches. You can make this exact same dress for anyone you choose to make it for. Yeah, we'll just follow the guidelines that we give here, and then you're good to go. All right, so essentially for this dress, we started up here. Okay, we started with the yoke. This is a lacy yoke, right? We didn't want the entire body to be lacy, so we wanted this top part to be a lacy yoke. So that's it. That's it. And if you can see that clearly, yeah, it's a square yoke, right? This is the front part. It has this Christmas tree like looking designs up there with a lot of chains, and then of course down the sleeves. The sleeve is a short one. Okay, and then we walked downward, of course. Yeah, you walk up to, you know the rule of the yoke. You walk the yoke for as long as the armhole allows and for as wide as the bust area allows. Yeah, we didn't want all of it to be see-through, and so we had to involve this opaque part to give it a decent look. All right, we use the half double crochet stitch for this part, for this the bust part, and then towards the waist we now use the single crochet stitch. The single crochet stitch, we use that because we maintained the hook sizing from here. So the single crochet stitch has a way of snapping the waist in. All right, so if you obtained like a 30, let's say a 36 up here, with a single crochet stitch it reduces it to about maybe a 30. All right, because this is going to be one over the head, so you can still pass through. So we walked all the way down. Yeah, and then of course at the hip portion we had to make room for an increase. We used a bigger hook size to increase that, and then just below the knee we snap it back with a lower hook size. There's a method to all of this, so if you're not understanding what I am saying, you can ask me in the comment section, and I would do my best to explain as much as possible. However, if you want to walk a one-on-one walkthrough, that's a different ballgame altogether, but that you also have to request for. You have to let us know. Okay, so the dress is a very simple dress. We walked all the way from the top to the bottom, right? And then edged. That's it. But the interesting thing about this particular dress, the one interesting thing, is that we added a peplum. We added a peplum fill at the waist region. All right, this peplum fill, we walked it with double crochet stitches, and walked our predetermined increase spots to give it a peplum, to give it this peplum look. So we have the increase spots in the middle, in the middle of the front, yeah, front center, back center, and then yeah, on the sides. That's where we have the steady increases. So it gave rise to this very beautiful peplum. Look at that. This is the back. This is the center back. So you can make yours steeper, or you can make yours just a regular circle. You can make yours in a mesh design. You can make yours in a V stitch design. You can just do whatever you want. Well, essentially all you need is this technique. This is what we did. The lace part up here, the lace yoke up here, and then we walked all the way down to whatever length you want. Yeah, this length you can go as far, go all the way down to the ankle. All right, imagine, yeah, this dress, yeah, you could wear it to work. This is a dress that transcends, it can take you from a wedding occasion, right? If you were a wedding guest, it could take you from there all the way to work on Monday. All right, that's one of the beautiful things we showcase in the clothes that we make. As much as we make them beach clothes, we also try to bring you everyday apparel. This is crochet every day, essentially. So that's it. If you have questions on any part of this, questions for any part of this dress you do not understand, it's working, do ask in the comments section and we will get back to you. Meanwhile, we have our galleries on Instagram. We have gallery for our wedding apparel on Makisode Weddings. And then we have a gallery for corporate apparel and casual apparels on Makisode Models. The links, we're going to be including those or inserting those in the description box with the method on how we made this dress. So you can check us out. Do well to like, do well to follow, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share. Yeah, especially that, share with your friends. Do not hug the designs and secrets and tips to yourself. Share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.